When I think of Dallas Willard's book, Renovation of the Heart, a quote immediately comes to mind. It's how Dallas begins chapter 2. He says, "Understanding is the basis of care. What you would take care of, you must first understand, whether that be a petunia or a nation. If we're going to care for our spiritual core," he says, "our heart, our will, we must first understand it." As an analogy, I think of my daughter's soccer team. She was in a game not too long ago, and one of her teammates got hurt, and she was laying on the field, obviously in pain. And her mom ran out to her, and her mom didn't understand the nature of her injuries and tried to care by grabbing her leg, and immediately the young lady said, "No, no, no." And then another mom who was an ER nurse came out on the field. And it's amazing to see the difference when someone shows up who understands the nature of injury and therefore knows how to care. The ER nurse was able to ask the right questions about where it hurt, immobilize the leg, and we were able to get the young soccer player off the field. You see, Dallas is right. There are too many of us in the church today that do not understand the need and nature of spiritual transformation in Christ. And therefore, we don't know how to care for our own spiritual growth process, let alone the spiritual growth process of those around us. And when you don't understand and you don't know how to care, you're liable to cause damage. You're liable to cause pain. There are so many people disillusioned with Christianity, leaving the church because they don't think Christianity works. They don't see the formational power and reality of God's love in their lives. And so we need more than ever the 20th anniversary of this book. We need more and more people to understand the nature of spiritual care and to move out into the church and through the church into the world to actually penetrate society with the good news of Jesus Christ, that there is a way forward in becoming the people that God has always intended us to be.